So, you know how AI is just like taking over everything these days? It's
Yeah,
insane how much opportunity there is now.
absolutely. It's not just for the tech giants anymore, right?
Exactly. Anyone can get
Right.
in on it. Did you hear about the ways people are making money with AI in 2025?
Oh, I know a few, but enlighten me. What's the latest?
Well, one of the coolest ways is through affiliate programs, like um, promoting AI tools to businesses.
Okay,
There's this program called Custom GPT.ai's affiliate program that's like changing the game.
really? How does that work exactly?
So, you sign up as an affiliate and you promote their customizable AI chatbots to companies that need better customer engagement. And you
Mm-hmm.
earn commissions for every referral. It's so accessible.
That sounds awesome. So you don't need to be a tech expert to get involved?
Not at all. That's the beauty of it. AI is becoming democratized, so even small businesses and individuals can tap into it without deep technical knowledge.
Right.
It's leveling the playing field.
That's huge. What other ways can people make money with AI?
Developing AI powered apps is big too. Think about solving real world problems with AI, like
Yeah.
creating apps that help farmers analyze crop health or retailers forecast demand.
But isn't building AI apps expensive and complicated?
You'd think so, but with open source frameworks like TensorFlow and tools like GitHub Copilot, it's way more accessible now. It's like having a superpower at your fingertips.
Haha,
Anyone with a
nice.
good idea can get started.
Interesting. What about offering AI consulting services?
Oh, that's another big one. Businesses are eager to unlock AI's potential, but often don't know how. So
True.
consultants can help them integrate AI solutions, like using AI chatbots from customgpt.ai to improve customer service.
But isn't there a risk of AI replacing jobs?
Well, it's more about AI augmenting roles rather than replacing.
Right.
Like in education, AI can personalize learning while teachers focus on mentorship.
That's a good point. AI as a co-pilot rather than a pilot.
Exactly. And that opens up more opportunities like creating AI-based educational platforms. It's all
Sure.
about enhancing experiences.
So there's a whole ecosystem of ways to make money with AI now.
Totally. From investing in AI startups, utilizing AI for financial trading, to even developing AI hardware solutions. The
Wow.
list goes on.
It's exciting, but a bit overwhelming. Where's the best place to start?
Honestly, getting involved with affiliate programs like customgpt.ai is the most accessible for most people.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need to be a tech guru or have a big budget.
Sounds like a solid entry point. Maybe I should give it a try.
You should. It's the smartest path to tap into the AI-driven future.
Yeah.
Plus, you're helping businesses grow while earning yourself. Win-win.
Can't argue with that. Thanks for breaking it down.
Anytime. It's an exciting time to be part of the AI revolution.